Hello, and welcome to our video walk around on the all-new 21 Buick Encore GX. My name is Gagne, and I'm the new car sales manager here at Gananoque Chev. My team and I are so excited to walk you through some of the features and benefits of this new product, we've decided to sing about it. Hit it, Mark!
GX. I'll sing along, we'll do it together, it goes like this. Encore, encore, encore. The Encore's turbo engine, yeah, it makes it go real fast. And when you switch from all-wheel drive, it's super good on gas. Encore, encore, encore. GX.
That's right, Mark. The new Buick Encore GX comes with two new 3-cylinder turbocharged engine options, one which makes 20 more horsepower than previous Buick Encores, making them more powerful and fuel efficient.
Another fuel safety technology on the Encore GX is the all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive can easily be put into two-wheel drive. This will save you fuel and unnecessary repairs down the road.
You know, up here in Canada, it gets really, really cold. The Encore warms up so fast, to really have you sold. Encore, 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 GX.
Active thermal management, where energy does not go to waste, allows quicker warm-up times on the cold winters we face. This improves fuel economy with a comfortable ride, a perfect fit for Canada to travel our beautiful countryside.
I close my eyes and hold my breath when my wife tries to park. This cool ride parks itself even in the dark. Encore, 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 GX.
If you have trouble parking, this vehicle is going to be a dream for you. The vehicle can parallel park or stall park itself using the many sensors built in. And for the first time ever, the vehicle can use the brakes during parking.
The windshield has an HD camera that'll make it safe and sound, and super cool cruise control will even slow you down in your Encore, 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 GX.
That's a great point, Mark. The forward-mounted HD windshield camera is one of the features that allows the Encore GX to be the vehicle in Buick's lineup that has the most technology and safety features. The forward-mounted camera allows for features such as forward collision alert, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, and lane departure warning, which have all become staples in vehicle safety.
Another feature made possible by our center camera is Adaptive Cruise. Adaptive Cruise automatically varies the speed to match that of the vehicles in front of you.
The LED lights will really blow your mind. They put them in the front and back, and man, they look so fine in your Encore, 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 GX.
That brings us to our next point. The LED signature headlights are standard equipment in both Encore GX trim levels. That gives the Buick a distinct look while also increasing its road presence.
I'd like to introduce you to my new friend Siri. One press with your fingertip, she'll keep you company in your Encore, 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 GX.
Good point, Mark. When your cell phone's connected to your Encore GX via Bluetooth or CarPlay, your steering wheel's voice command button works as a voice pass-through to your cell phone for voice commands such as this. Hey Siri, play Ambush.
Ambush.
The surround vision is the best in its class. Much better than our competition. We keep them in the Encore, encore, GX.
That's right, Mark. The heads-up display allows a driver to have important information such as navigation and speed right in their natural field of vision. This means they don't have to look down at the dash or the radio while driving. All of this information is customizable and can be brightened or dimmed.
This car truly is an awesome addition to the Buick lineup and the GM lineup in general. Thanks a lot for watching our walk around video.